Ever asked an AI for something and got a response that was, well, a little bit off, generic, confusing, or just plain not what you wanted? You are definitely not alone. We've all been there staring at our screens wondering, how do I get these things to actually understand me? Well, here is the secret. The true potential of generative AI isn't just about the powerful tool itself. It's about how you talk to it. Think of your AI assistant like a new intern. You wouldn't just say, do something about our social media and expect a winning campaign, right? You'd give them context, goals, examples. Your AI thrives on the exact same thing. This process is called prompt engineering, and it's quickly becoming one of the most critical skills in our AI-powered world. And the best part? You don't need a computer science degree to master it. Leaders like Google have developed simple yet incredibly powerful frameworks to guide us. And today, we are diving into one of the most effective and easy to remember TCREI, thoughtfully create really excellent inputs. This framework is your blueprint for consistently getting those brilliant, useful outputs you are looking for. Let's break it down. T is for task. What do you want the AI to do? C is for context. Give it the background story. R is for role. Who should the AI pretend to be? E for examples. Show it what you like. And I is for iterate. Refine and improve your results. Let's start with T for task. Be crystal clear about the core actions. Don't be vague. Instead of help with party planning, specify exactly what you want it to do. A weak task might be give me a birthday party ideas. But an excellent task is generate a detailed plan for a unique 10-year-old's birthday party, including theme, activities, and decorations for 15 kids. See the difference? The AI now knows the format, the age, the number of guests, and the specific elements needed. No guesswork. Next up, C for context. This is who, what, where, when, and why. It's all the background info that allows the AI to tailor its response perfectly. For our party, we'd add, the birthday boy is named Leo, turning 10, and he loves space, adventure, and building things. The party will be held in a backyard with a budget of $200, and the goal is for it to be fun, active, and memorable. Now the AI understands Leo's interest to create a suitable theme, the location constraints, and our budget, ensuring relevant and practical suggestions. R for all. This is where magic really happens. You can dramatically improve output by asking the AI to embody a specific persona or expert. You are essentially hiring a specialist. For our party, we'll assign the role. Act as an experienced children's party planner who specializes in do-it-yourself, budget-friendly and unique themes. Instead of generic ideas, you'll get creative, practical solutions that feel like they came from a seasoned professional. Perhaps even with tips how to save money and maximize fun. Then we have E for examples. This is a super powerful way to guide the AI on style, format, tone, and even length. If you have a previous successful party structure or an invitation you loved, include it. We'd say, I like a space explorer adventure theme. Please suggest activities similar to build a rocket craft. Structure the plan with an opening hook, 3-4 main activity suggestions for themed food, and a cake idea. Now the AI has a direct template to follow, aligning its suggestions with your vision for the party. Finally, I for iterate. Your first prompt is a starting point, not the finish line. If something isn't quite right, don't just scrap it, refine it, ask for variations, specify changes, or provide additional constraints. You can say something like, that's great, but can you suggest more active games suitable for a backyard? Or can you swap this alien-themed food for something more classic, but still easy to make? Iteration is a collaborative dance. The AI learns from your feedback, helping you hone in on that perfect output through a simple conversation. So, when you put it all together, here's what our complete TCREI-powered prompt looks like for Leo's birthday party. Task: generate a detailed plan for a unique 10-year-old's birthday party, including theme, activities, and decorations for 15 kids. Context: the birthday boy is named Leo, turning 10, and he loves space, adventure, and building things. The party will be held in a backyard with a budget of $200, and the goal is for it to be fun, active, and memorable. Role: act as an experienced children's party planner who specializes in do-it-yourself, budget-friendly and unique themes. Examples: I like a Space Explorer adventure theme. Please suggest activities similar to a Build a Rocket craft, structure the plan with an opening hook, 3-4 main activities, suggestions for themed food and a cake idea. Now that you know the TCREI framework, here are a couple of pro tips to take your prompting from good to absolutely brilliant. These best practices turn AI from a simple tool into a true collaborator. The first tip is to use the AI itself to get better at prompting. If you are struggling to create a perfect prompt, just ask the AI to help you. You can give it a basic idea and then say something like, please refine this prompt to be more clear using TCREI framework. The AI can often take your vague request and turn it into a structured, powerful prompt showing you how a great one is built. It's like having a prompting coach right in your chat. My second pro tip is a game changer. Tell the AI to ask you questions. At the end of your prompt, add the instruction: ask questions if you need more information. This simple command shifts the dynamic. Instead of guessing, the AI will tell you exactly what context is missing to give you the best possible output. This is a crucial step in moving from a one-sided conversation to a true partnership where you will fill the gap for a flawless result. This prompt isn't just a question, it's a comprehensive, creative brief. It gives the AI everything it needs to generate a high-quality, nearly ready-to-use party plan. By taking that extra moment to thoughtfully create really excellent inputs, you move from just using AI to truly partnering with it. What are your go-to tips for writing great prompts? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy prompting!